study of those she worked with over time, where the nonverbal became the powerful entity that led to change. And sometimes dance therapists don't even trust their own modality and get to talking and not trusting that the real work is truly in the body and in the movement. So that's one thing I definitely learned from her, to trust that what's going to happen is going to happen here. And since I'm basically a nonverbal person myself, it works very well for me. She became very clear too about the difference, of course, of being a therapist from a teacher, and her ability to present whatever was offered without fear of rejection strengthened the importance of how it allows the other to support for self-expression. As I followed her around as an apprentice, carrying the 30-pound record player that we used to have, this is how I used to walk, speaking of that's why I have a new hip. It was to watch her work was something that, of course, I absorbed for myself. When you walk and it was unlocking doors at St. Elizabeth's, and the moment she steps in, you're working, you're seeing, you're picking up, you're understanding, you're feeling the tensions, you're getting the mood, you respond to whoever you see, and you're walking into the area you're walking. So that there is that acceptance, my body is open to receive. And that is, it's, somehow, when I teach or supervise, I try to emphasize your presence is so important. Without you, none of this will work. So who you are and how you present yourself is how this other human being is able to then say, oh, somebody is attending to me, somebody's listening to me, somebody is willing to allow me to be who I am, no matter what that is, even if it's somebody who's just ready to, okay, that's all right, I can be here, you're not going to scare me away. That sense of presence, but not demanding. That was the other part, which is very hard for dance therapists to accept, that we can't change anybody and we can't push them to do something. We can only offer them the structure and the possibility and the opportunity to be who they are and to make those changes. We all want to see change happen. We all want to say, wasn't that wonderful? Look at what somebody did. But we, it's patience. Their patience, because they're patient, waiting to see that we understand, and we have to be patient in order to be able to allow people to be who they are and make that step forward, whatever it is that they're going to do.